Hello, hi, it's Liz here and it's time to do the 4 playing cards challenge. This is a challenge to alter 4 playing cards using a prompt provided by Scrimping Mommy over on her Facebook group. So if you want to join in, that's where to find yourself. I do love the steampunk ones. Last week was correspondence. And this week the prompt is week 9, travel. Nice fun one this week. I've made it nice and easy for myself and I've done 3 cards already and I have a 4th one to do with you. So let me get the book back because I want to show you the first 3 cards first. Okay, so this week the book is going to go that way. Last week we did 2 and 2 because we did the cards long ways, and this week I did them long ways again. So I have a caravan getting pulled by a little car. How cute is that? How cute are they? I'll show you where they've come from in a minute. But I've put the caravan slightly off the card so that he can be towed by the little open top, what looks like a beetle. And then we've got a boat. And I think we'll put that one down there. And then we'll make one together for there. So let me just show you. We will just put them aside for the moment. And I will show you where, because the 4th card is going to be, of course, an aeroplane. A little bit of map, that's on, and the card, of course. So this is where I got the pop-outs pieces. It's Studio Light Art by Marlene. And this one's called, is it called Die Cut Block? Never Stop Looking Up, maybe? I'm not sure. But you get loads of bits. I think you get 2 of each. Yeah, 2 pages of each one. And this at the beginning, I love this. Don't you love that? I'm going to use that at some point. The crafty, painty things. I've used some of them. I want to do something else with them. So that's where the travel pieces came from. I shall just put that over there and we'll get started. So I've already put some gesso, just some white gesso on the playing card just to take away the shine, and I'm simply going to stick this piece of map, and it would help if we pulled the lid rather than the bottom. We're off to a good start. So just in the middle, just to give it a little bit of background, because I'm wanting to put the aeroplane kind of coming off the card a little, as if he's just having takeoff. Now we're going to ink round, and that is why my fingers are all blue. I've got my Dilutions London Blue ink spray, and I'm not going to spray directly on. I want it just to be watered a little bit. So I've got some water here and a brush, and I'm just going to just add some colour just around. And once I've added it on, I'm going to dab it off. But it leaves enough on just to colour it. A little bit more maybe, still on the brush. There we are. That'll do, and that's how you get ink on your fingers, even although you try not to. It just can't be helped. Right, so the next thing I want to do is add a little bit of this to the edges. This is Versamagic Perfect Plumeria, Plumeria. Well, it's a plum colour, and I'm just going to use it straight on just to make the edges stand out a little bit. There we are. I did that to all of the other ones. So that's a chalk ink. Now we're going to add a little bit of, let's put the water out the way, a little bit of faux stitching. And for the faux stitching, I'm going to stamp using this stamp from this packet, which is 49 and Market, Gabby's Line Stitch Stamp Set. That's easy for you to say. Gabby's Line Stitch Stamp Set. Yes, Gabby's Line Stitch. And there's Gabby there. She looks lovely. And you get 7. So I'm just going to use this simple zigzag one. And my VersaFine Onyx Black. Little dab dab. And just across the bottom. I don't think the ink can have dried very well. That just sunk in. Maybe I didn't give it time. That's better. It's not turning out as clear as the other ones did. I don't know why. That's better. It's just to give it a little bit of texture around the edge anyway. Right. Let's put that aside. And we're simply going to add our airy plane. Ready for takeoff? Okay, let's get the others out and think about what words we can put on. Oh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Are we there yet? Go, see, do, and far and wide. Oh, I've got a tickle. So these are washi stickers from 49 and Market, and they're travel themed. And I've used quite a few of them, so let's see what's left that we can use here on this one. There's travel. Here's travel. So they just peel off. They're quite see-through. And I'm just going to put it there. So that's the final one of the set. I think these are quite nice, aren't they? They're quite nice and bright and bold, different from the others. And I like how they're kind of interlinked. I like that. I've also got this little piece from the book Home Holiday Stay, and I think I might just, once they're stuck down, I think I might put that there. So that's me for today, nice and quick and easy. I'm off now to wash a pair of socks. That's what my late mum used to say. If you had dirty nails or dirty fingers, you should go and wash a pair of socks by hand, and that takes the dirt away, apparently. I think I'll probably just scrub them with something. Right, so that's me. Thanks for joining me. If you've enjoyed the video, a thumbs up is really very much appreciated, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.